What are you doing, Bart? Hey, Bart. Hey, Bart. Hey, Bart. Hey, Bart. Bart. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. You ready to eat breakfast?
No.
You ready? Let's go eat some breakfast. Let's go eat some strawberry oatmeal. Want some strawberry oatmeal?
No.
No? You don't want any oatmeal? Come on. And we need to put your onesie back on because it's a little bit cool. You keep stripping. I don't want to get this. Tell a fish bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye, fish.
Bye.
What are those? What is that?
Oh.
What is that?
Oh.
Is that fish?
Oh.
You're not going to say it because I'm recording?
No.
Any other time you wake up talking about fish.
Oh.
Are those the fish?
Oh.
How does the bear sound? How does the dog sound? Roo, roo. How does the chicken sound? Ooh, 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 ooh. How's the bear sound? Can I have my plug for the iPad? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Bart. Come on, let's go get something to eat. Hey, bye-bye, fish.
Bye.
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 Okay, let's go.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, we're going to turn off the lights so they can go back to sleep. You done fed them, so now they can go to sleep. How about that?
No.
Night-night. Say night-night.
No.
Come on, let TT hold you. Come on.
No.
Come on.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Give him a kiss. You're so precious. Come on.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Got you on camera. Got you on camera. Where are your clothes, child? Where are your clothes? In here. There's your clothes. You just took them off and slung them. Yep, right in the middle of a bunch of remote controls. That's your thing. Ah. How's the bear sound? All right.
Go.
Let's put your clothes back on. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say wait bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.